A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements and pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Given for the cylinder part, height h is equal to 8 cm and radius r is equal to 2 by 2 cm is equal to 1 cm. For the spherical part, radius r is equal to 8.5 by 2 is equal to 4.25 cm. Now, the volume of this vessel is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of a sphere is equal to pi into 1 whole square into 8 plus 4 by 3 into pi into 4.25 whole cube, which is equal to 25.12 plus 321.6, that is equal to 346.67 centimeter cube. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. Solution. It is known that a tent is a combination of a cone and a cylinder, as shown below. From the question, we know that the diameter is equal to d is equal to 4 meter, L is equal to 2.8 meter, slant height. The radius of cylinder is equal to the radius of the cone, so r is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 meter. Also, we know the height of the cylinder h is 2.1 meter. So, the required surface area of the given tent is equal to surface area of the cone plus surface area of the cylinder is equal to pi rl plus 2 pi rh, which is equal to pi r is common into l plus 2h. Now, substituting the values and solving it, we get pi r into L plus 2h is equal to 22 by 7 into 2 into 2.8 plus 2 into 2.1, which is equal to 44 meter square. Therefore, the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square for the tent will be surface area into cost per meter square, which is equal to 44 into 500. So, rupees 22,000 will be the total cost of the canvas. A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. The height of the cone is 2 cm and the diameter of the base is 4 cm. Determine the volume of the toy. If a right circular cylinder circumscribes the toy, find the difference between the volumes of the cylinder and the toy. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Let BPC be the hemisphere and ABC be the cone standing on the base of the hemisphere as shown in the figure. The radius BO of the hemisphere as well as of the cone is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 cm is equal to 2 cm. So, volume of the toy is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 2 by 3 into 3.14 into 2 cube plus 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 2 square into 2, that is equal to 25.12 centimeter cube. Now, Let the right circular cylinder EFGH circumscribe the given solid. The radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is equal to HP is equal to BO is equal to 2 cm and its height is EH is equal to AO plus OP is equal to 2 plus 2 cm is equal to 4 cm. So the volume required is equal to volume of the right circular cylinder minus the volume of the toy, which is equal to 3.14 into 2 square into 4 minus 25.12 centimeter cube, which is equal to 50.24 minus 25.12 centimeter cube, which is equal to 25.12 centimeter cube. Hence, the required difference between the two volumes is equal to 25.12 centimeter cube. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Thanks for watching.